play. Let's go. Come on.
You're too funny, Nick. You're too funny. No, that's a bird dog. That's a real bird dog.
Alright, too little. Be nice.
Let's see if she's starting to mouth it.
Jenny's like, what the hell? She doesn't like the big one. She likes chasing the little one. Because the little one runs faster.
Yeah.